Have you ever thought about how some people command respect just by their presence? They don't need any title or position of authority. They carry this silent authority within themselves, and because of that, they attract genuine respect from people around them. And I think earning respect these days aren't a big deal because if you're a rich person, people will respect you. If you are a person with high status or a person with power, people will respect you. But the question is, are they respecting you for who you are or what you have? Are they respecting you or they are respecting your money, your power, or your resources? And after all, we all are human beings. So, why wouldn't we enjoy any bit of attention or admiration we are getting from people around us? So, I don't think so that there is something wrong in that. But the real question is, what's driving you? Is it the reputation you have acquired, or is it the character you hold within? If your answer is your reputation or how people think highly of you, then somewhere you are trapped in a cage of other people's opinion about you and you are giving your power away because you're driven by external factors, you're driven by other people. But the source of your motivation or inspiration should come from within. Something outside of yourself or some external factor can trigger the inspiration within you, but it should come from within. It shouldn't be dependent on any external factor. And we will understand this by an example as well. So we'll take the example of Lance Armstrong. Lance Armstrong was one of the most admired athlete in the world. Millions of people admired him for his extraordinary achievement. But later it was revealed that he took some performance enhancing drugs and denied it repeatedly. But when truth comes out, the reputation he had spent years building collapsed overnight. And that is the real example how reputation fade quickly when it is not backed by integrity. And integrity doesn't come from having a good reputation, but it comes from holding a strong character within yourself. And people who have strong character, their action isn't inspired by the reputation they hold. Their action is more driven by the value and principle they abide by, and some non negotiable which they won't be compromising at any cost. And these kind of people who stick to their values, these people are meant to build a legacy. Why? Because they are led by their inner truth, the truth which doesn't need anybody's approval. And when you choose value over validation, integrity over image, and purpose over popularity, you stop living for applause and start living by principle. We will understand this by another example of Nelson Mandela. He was the first black democratically elected president of South Africa, and he spent 27 years in prison just for standing by what he believed was right. After all these suffering, he didn't choose revenge but forgiveness, and later helped uniting the divided nation. His legacy wasn't built on the title he has, but it is by the strength of his strong character. And at last, I just want you to remember one thing, that circumstances in your life may change. People opinion of you may change, and even your reputation in the world may rise and fall. But what remains same is the power and strength and the character you hold within yourself. And that's what defines you. Even the instability of your physical reality doesn't impact your inner reality, and having a strong character make you an unshakable person. So I end this video by here, and I would love to hear from you in comment section that what part of the video inspired you or provoked you to think little bit deeper on your life or about yourself. So please leave your comment or your perspective in comment section. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.